Alright everybody, welcome to Code Leveler. So today, as I told yesterday, I'm going to start coding in Geek for Geeks. So starting today, we are going to solve the problem of the day. Sorry, yesterday I have solved one problem which is an easy one, very easy, which is always a basic one and data structure. The linked list. Okay, we are just wanting to find the number of nodes present in a linked list, which is a very easy one. Okay, so today we are going to solve subarray range with given sum, okay, which is a medium problem. So let's just dive into this. Okay guys, we know that I have solved this problem in lead code. Okay, with this given name I've solved about 10 problems with the keyword in this topic as subarray. Okay, subarray, which means you should be given the topics as the topic text that should be coming in your mind as dynamic programming, okay, backtracking, and prefix sum, okay, and sum. We are going given sum, so we should be thinking about these three ideas. Okay, can also use greedy if such as given mention. Okay, and hash map. Okay, hash map, more data structures we are going to use here. Okay, so this problem is an unsorted array which is given here. Okay, and the values can be, okay, which contains duplicates here. So, okay, duplication, we can use backtracking here. Okay, but because of our time complexity constraints, it can't be. Okay, so we can't expect to use backtracking. Expected time complexity should be bigger often. Okay, so that's the reason we not going to use backtracking here. Okay, so let's see the topic tags: arrays, hash, data structures. So I think we can use prefix sum and a hash map for the frequency values. Okay, this is the same problem as there's a problem in lead code. Okay, you can also solve that. So now let's just go through this. Okay, let me just finish this quick. First, we are going to create a prefix sum which is initially 0, and the count value should be 0. Okay guys, let me just first tell you how this is done. Okay, this is an unsorted array and the target value which is equal to 10 minus 10. Okay, the subarrays can be these three. Okay, in any order. Okay, the subarray can be of any order. Okay, so okay, so we are going to return the number of subarrays with this target value, the sums of these values. Okay, so let's start the code. Okay, let's just create the hash map. Let me just use map integer comma integer. Okay guys, you know why I used integer comma integer? Because this integer for this specify the prefix sum value. Okay, prefix sum value. Okay, and this one for the frequency value. So p map, okay, which is a prefix sum map, or we can just use as map is equal to new hash map. Okay, and then first, for handling edge cases, We are going to use first initialize the prefix map, that is map with the values of 0 and 1. Okay, putting the value 0, uh, which is index 0. Okay, so sorry, not 0, that is index value. Okay, 0 is index value and 1 is a frequency value. Okay, now we are just going to iterate to this int array colon int a colon array. Okay, so let's just we can just add this value prefix sum plus is equal to we are going to add this value one by one, so it should be a. Okay, and then let me create a condition here to check whether the prefix map, that is the map, contains the key value. Okay, so let's if the map dot contains key of this ps, right, ps minus target we are given. If it is contains, if in this map we are going to increment the count value of the particular value. Okay, map dot get what are we going to get, this prefix sum minus target, right? Okay, and else condition, if neither it is neither not present in the array, not present in the map, we are going to build one. Okay, so map dot put of this prefix sum and this map dot get default for the frequency of ps comma 0 plus 1. Okay, it's done. So that's the problem, we are going to return the count. Okay, just hope this works. Let's solve this problem like many times. Okay, all right, contains key con if of map dot contains key. All right, okay, once again cannot find the symbol. Of integer comma integer. All right, put of ps prefix sum and map dot get or. Okay, it's worked. Now let's just submit this. I make some mistakes in this syntax, right, but this it should make sense, right, because of this mistakes. Okay, let's just submit this. Okay, hope this works. Alright guys, it just worked. So strict 2. Okay, let me just tell you how this works. What I'm trying to specify here is I have used iterations to this value. First, the PS value becomes 0 plus 10 something, okay, which is 10, and it is not present in the array, right? So we are going to add the value as 10 comma 1, okay, and then once again we are going to add this prefix value 10 with the next value 2, which is equal to 12. 10 is not also not present, right? So once again we are going to add 10 comma 12 comma 0, I think. No, 12 comma 1, right? 12 comma 1, and again the prefix sum will be this something 12 plus 12 minus 2, this one. I'm going to use this, I'm using this example, right? 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10, okay, 10. So we are having this 10 value in here, right? So okay, I'll just remove this quotes. Okay, this 10 value, if this is present here, this 10 value is always already present, right? So this 10 value becomes obviously as some, wait, oh wait, I need to check this right again. Oh, sorry guys. First this is going to have 0 comma 1, okay, and then we are going to check if the PS is equal to PS, we are going to add PS is equal to some 0 plus 10, right, which is equal to 10, and we are going to check is this prefix sum 10 minus of minus 10, right, which is equal to 20. So with this is not contained in this, so we are going to add 10 comma 1, okay, not present. So once again PS is equal to once again 10 plus 2, right, 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12, and check, we are need to checking whether 12 minus of minus 10, 12 minus of minus 10, which is equal to 22, which is also not present. So we are going to add 12 comma 1, and once again we are going to check PS is equal to this 12 plus minus 2, right, minus 2, which is equal to some 10. So, and once again we are going to check whether this value is present, 10 minus of minus 10, right, which is equal to 20. So 20 is not present, so we are going to add 20 comma 1, oh not 20, 10 comma 2, wait, 12 10 we are got 20, so not, we are not going to add that one, so we are going to increment, right, 10 comma 2, this one we are going to increment it, okay, and again we are going to check for minus 20, which will be 10 plus 20, 10 plus, that's 10 minus 20, which is equal to minus 10, and this minus 10 minus of minus 10, okay, which will be 0. So 0 are actually present in the array, so which means there is a subarray, like index between 0 to 3, which is the target values minus 10. So once again we are going to increment this count value, right, which is equal to 1, right? Okay, so and again we are going to check for the number 10, right, where ps is equal to minus 10, this minus 10, okay, this minus 10, okay, this minus 10, and plus 10, okay, we are getting again 0. No, 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 no. Prefix value should be, prefix sum is minus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 0. So check once again, we are going to check 0 is present here. For that values 0, and the value we are checking is minus 10, so which is equal to 10. This 10 is also present in the array map, sorry, which means there are two sub-index, right, from index 1 to 4 and 3 to 4, right? This 1 to 4 and 3 to 4, right? So once again we are going to increment the count value by 1 plus 2. So this value where 10 comma 2, this 10 comma 2, we are going to take this value 2, okay, by this one, h is equal to 3. So the final prefix map will be like something like this. 0 has occurred 2 times, right? Okay, I also had to write this 10 value, okay, 2 times, okay, this 10 also 2 times, and minus 10 also, minus 10 is 1 time, sorry, I changed the order. 12 also 1 time, and minus 10 also 1 time. Okay, guys, this is how this method works. Okay, prefix sum. Okay, basically we should need to use prefix sum when we are going to use subarray with the given sum, okay, which is an easy way to find the values. Okay, also the time complexity is used here is big O of 1, okay, as we are going to move through all this array values, big O of n, okay, and the time space complexity for storing the prefix sum, okay, and once again big O of n. So this is DC and space complexity respectively. Okay, that's the problem, guys. Okay, let's meet you in another day, that is tomorrow. Okay, let's again solve the problem of the day for both the lead code and geek for geeks. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Until then, goodbye.